Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share some share attack, and if I seem breathless, it's because I have asthma and I just ran around the house like I was 22. Big mistake. Okay, you want to get you can use plastic or glass, but don't use a metal bowl. You line it with tinfoil. Make sure it's hot. Add the good old Arm & Hammer. Put it in there. Till you hear it do the effervescence. As you can see here, this is a custom piece I had made from Brazil. And I put it in, word to the wise, it says it cleans silver, pearls, and precious metals. I think they lied, because my stain, all that jewelry and rigmarole came true. So they said, and then it turned, oops, it didn't bother I ain't even got it on by my bed, sorry. So then you put this in here, add a little bit more. And who always has a stick handy? So now you want to work that up. I'm going to see how it's coming around. Oh my goodness, the hack really does work. Let me take a look. Excuse me while I let you stare at something mindless. Yeah, that's going to have to sit for a minute. But the rings, I have Tarnex, but I really don't want to put, the smell of it triggers my asthma, so there's something about the metal, and you may not see it on camera, but the solution looks a little yellowy, so. And her name, by the way, the skull's name is Gertrude. So Gertrude, you're in the moat. You will not be warned. I just hope it doesn't mess up that white topaz. Let's try a little bit more. Should I put more than I thought? Because I can't see. Because usually what this is used for is for my beast toilet. We ride or die. And sometimes we're in here at the same time, so there's that. And my feet made the video. I need to get one of them big power bellies so I can't see my feet. Anyway, little vanity, little girl stuff. Alright, I'm going to have to get down low because I can't see very well. Damn diabetes. Okay, you know what? Ow, that's hot. Ow, slippery. It's doing it, but not like I like. But the yellow, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. It's still a little yellowy, so I'm going to go eat some soup with some ramen noodles in it. And as exhausted as I am and as much pain as I am in today, this is going to have to be the one and only today. Thank God I got reserve and backup content. Peace. Thanks for watching. Shop again.